Hi, I'm Stacy and I'm with WTI. I'm so happy with this rug that I was able to get for under my desk. It's by YURRO, and I wanted to show you some of the really beautiful features of it up close. This is a 31-inch size rug that fit in perfectly with my desk space. So I moved my office chair from a carpet to a hardwood floor, and it was just really awkward to always be sliding around on my chair. And rather than have to upgrade my chair, I thought, why not put a rug under my desk? Not only is the rug super functional thanks to its grippy backing, but it's really soft and cozy on the front part. I love the unique colors and design. They're very soft and muted, but it's also really soft in how it feels in texture. It's a great rug for under my chair because it's just the amount of height that really works for the chair, and you can still slide around on it, but at the same time you have something that is between the chair and the floor that just makes it feel so good. It's also so nice that this rug is completely washable. So I have that option if I accidentally spill or it just over time gets a little bit dirty. I know that I can throw it into the wash and then put it right back. This rug would also work in a variety of other small little corners where you have a cute little setup, but I really love it for underneath my office chair and under my desk. It just provides such a nice soft footing for me when I'm working, and it's nice to be nice and comfortable from my chair down to the rug, and that's my point of view.